Chapter 4 Introduction to Microsoft Word 2016. To know in this chapter, features of MS Word, how to type in MS Word, how to save and open an MS Word document. You type with your keyboard, which is a computer hardware. The typed word or sentence appears on the monitor screen, which is again a computer hardware. But think again. Where do you type? You don't type on the keyboard. You type with the help of a keyboard. The answer to the above question is that you type on a computer program. This computer program is called a word processor. Word processor. A word processor is used for creating, editing, and formatting of text documents. It allows you to save the created document in the hard disk of the computer for future use. You can also print your document on a paper by giving the related command. Types of word processor. Microsoft Word. It is a powerful word processor made for Macintosh and Windows-based computers. Microsoft is the company behind its development. Writer. It is one of the most popular free and open source word processors. Having features similar to Microsoft Word, it is a part of LibreOffice software. Google Docs. Google Docs is a free online word processor offered by Google. We can create, edit, and share text documents online and access them from any computer with an internet connection. In the previous class, you learned typing in WordPad. In this chapter, you will learn to type on Microsoft Word. Few things we can do in MS Word. We can type letters, applications, essays, answers, and much more on MS Word. Notices, newsletters, bills, and other professional documents can also be prepared with MS Word. After preparing the text document, you can also save it and later edit it. You can also make use of various tools on MS Word to beautify your text and make the document more presentable. Along with this, you can also insert images and graphics in your documents. With the help of cut, copy and paste option, you can copy or move the selected text from one page of the document to another. After you have prepared the document in MS Word, you can also print it by giving the print command. In class 2, you were taught typing on WordPad, which was basically a preparation for Microsoft Word. You will now learn to type in MS Word. Microsoft Word is an application software used for text processing. The content that we type in MS Word is collectively called text. How to start Microsoft Word 2016? Step 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu will pop up on the screen. You can see a list of installed apps on the left side of the Start menu. Step 2. Scroll and search for Word 2016. Then click on it. The Word document opens and shows its Start screen. Left side. You can use this area, Recent, to open the existing documents. Right side. This area of the Start screen can be used to start a new document. Step 3. Click on the blank document. A blank document titled Document 1 will show up on your screen. The Microsoft Word window. After starting Word 2016, you will see a window on your desktop as shown below. Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, Control Buttons, Tabs, Ribbon, Work Area, Cursor, Scroll Bar. Title Bar. The topmost bar of the window is known as Title Bar. It displays the name of the Word document which is currently active. File tab. A backstage view appears when you click on the File tab. It opens up a menu where you will find commands like open, save, print, close, etc. Quick Access Toolbar. It is located at the top right corner of the window. The toolbar contains quick access buttons for save, redo, and undo actions. Ribbon. This area contains tools and related commands to work in Microsoft Word. In each tab, you will find shortcut buttons to common tasks. Ribbon tab. Each ribbon tab contains a set of tools associated with the overall task that a user is expected to perform. Insertion point. The blinking vertical line in your Word document is called the insertion point. It indicates the place where you can enter text in your document. Views of documents. Clicking on this option will change the working view of your document. The most common document view is the print layout. Zoom controls. It allows you to zoom in or zoom out so that you can focus on areas of specific interest. Scroll bar. With the help of the scroll bar, you can move the contents of a Word document up, down, left and right. Status bar. It is located at the bottom of a Word document. It presents information like page number, line number, word count, zoom, zoom slider, language and other details. Program control buttons. These buttons can be used to control the program window. It can be minimized, restored to full size or closed. Work area. It is an area in the document window where you type the text of your document. Tell me what you want to do. It is a search feature that helps you choose to find the required commands on the ribbon window. It is helpful when you are not sure about the location of a particular command on the ribbon. File tab. After you click on the File tab, a file menu will appear. It is also known as the backstage view. Here, you can manage file commands such as open, save, print, mail, and check properties. Click on File tab. A new screen will appear. Here you can see the most commonly used commands for file management. The backstage view or file menu is split into 3 panels. The left or first panel contains the commands you require for the files created by you. The middle or second panel features related options and the right or the third panel illustrates additional options or preview options.
For example, when you click on Print command in the first panel, the middle or second panel displays the print options, whereas the right or third panel shows a preview of your document. How it will appear when printed on the paper. This is how the backstage view simplifies the printing process. In just one step, you can preview and print your file.
Click on the Print command. In this illustration, you can see the backstage view in 3 panels. First panel shows the command. Second panel shows the associated options. Third panel displays the preview or extra options. Press Escape key or click on the back arrow to exit the backstage view without making any selection. File tab commands. Info. It allows you to see and edit the properties, password, protect a file and restrict editing. Besides, you can examine the file for privacy, compatibility, accessibility and can recover unsaved versions. New. Start a new blank document or template. Open. Open an existing file. Save. Save the file newly created by you. Save as. Used to specify the name and location of the file you are saving. Print. Used for printing the current file. Share. invite others to view or edit the file online, or send the file via mail. Export. Create a PDS or XPS version of the file. You can also change the file type. Close. Shut down the active document. Account. View and edit the active Microsoft account. You can also change the background and theme for the application window. Options. Control application settings with this command. Ribbon. Ribbon consists of commands arranged in 3 segments as given below. Tabs. They represent common actions you perform in Word document. They are placed across the top of the ribbon and contain groups of related commands. Groups. They organize similar commands with every group name that pops up under the group on the ribbon. Commands. They are featured within each group. Select a tab. Open a tab by clicking on it. It organizes the tasks and commands into relevant groups. Groups. Look at the bottom of the ribbon. You will see 3 heads: Page Setup, Paragraph, and Arrange. These are called groups. Give a command. Activate a command by clicking on a button. Buttons with arrows shows additional commands. Click on the corner arrow button to make a dialog box of new settings appear. Open an existing file. If you wish to open a file that is already saved, follow the steps. Click on the File tab. Under the list that appears, click on the Open option. The Open dialog box will appear on screen. Find the destination of the MS Word file that you have saved. After you have selected the file, click on Open option at the bottom of the dialog box. Selecting. By holding the left click and dragging the mouse, you can select the text. The selected text appears in background color, which indicates that it has been selected. Selection area is the blank area to the left of the text. A single left click on selection area will select the line next to it. Try it yourself. Study the table given below to learn how to select different texts in the MS Word program. To select, Action. To select a word, double-click on the word. To select a sentence, press and hold the Control key and then click on any word in the sentence. To select a paragraph, triple-click anywhere on the paragraph. You can also double-click on the selection area next to it. To select a large block of text, click on the starting line and hold the Shift key. Then click at the end of the text and after that release the Shift key. To select the entire text, triple-click anywhere on the selection area, or you could use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A. Cut, copy, paste. The cut feature in MS Word lets you to cut selected text from the document. We use the cut feature to remove the text from one place and insert it somewhere else on the document. Cut and paste. To cut, simply select the text and press Ctrl+X, or you can select the text and then click on the cut button in the clipboard group on the Home tab. After the selected text is cut, it is stored on the clipboard. Now, go to the place where you have to paste the text that was cut and left-click there. The cursor will appear there. Press Ctrl+V together. The text that was cut will be pasted there. You can also click on Paste button in the clipboard group to directly paste the text without using the keyboard. Copy and paste. Copy feature is used when you want to copy the text from the document. The copy feature does not remove the original text from where the copied text was taken. To copy, simply select the text and press Ctrl+C, or you can select the text and then click on the copy button in the clipboard group. Now go to the place where you have to paste the copied text and left click. The cursor will appear there. Press Ctrl plus V together or use the paste button from the clipboard group. Apart from shortcut keys, you can paste the text by right-clicking and selecting the paste option from the same menu from where cut and copy options were selected. Note: cut, copy and paste option can be used for multiple documents as well. This means that you can cut, copy from one document and paste it on another document. Delete the text. If you have typed something by mistake, use backspace key to erase it. If the cursor is someplace else and the error is somewhere else, bring the cursor to the right of the error and then press backspace key. Delete key also has the same function as backspace key. The only difference is that while backspace deletes the text located to the left of the cursor, the delete key deletes the text located to the right of the cursor. Saving the file. After you have completed your work, you should always save it. To save your file, click on the File tab. In the list of options that appear, click on the Save option. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the destination where you want to save the file. Also, give a name to the file. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved. If the file is already saved and now you just want to save the changes, you can simply press Ctrl plus S keys. Or you can press the Save icon in the Quick Access toolbar. The file will open up. When we save a new file, the Save As window appears. After that, when we save changes in the saved file, we use the Save option. Close the file and exit from MS Word. After you have finished the work on your document, you should always save the changes that you have made. After that, you should close the file by clicking on the Close option from the File tab. The file will get closed. You can also close the program by clicking on the Close button from the control buttons. The keyboard shortcut for closing the Word program is Alt plus F4. Revise with TUK. Microsoft Word is a text processing software used to create documents. The program also offers a range of formatting and editing tools. These formatting tools make the text look more professional and formal. You can also insert images and graphics in your document to make it more presentable. The program window of MS Word has several components like title bar, quick access toolbar, tabs, ribbon, cursor, scroll bar, work area and cursor. The ribbon section is the area where all tools are located. Every tab except the File tab has its own set of formatting tools. File tab contains various options like Save, Close and Print. As you type, characters appear on the work area of MS Word and the cursor keeps shifting to the right. At the end of the line, MS Word automatically shifts the cursor to the next line.